Hey guys, so I was going to show you really quickly how to assign the read aloud accommodation for kids in MAP if you want to go ahead and test in your room. So what's happened is Mr. Featherston has set up all the sessions and has assigned it and saved those, and ideally you all were just going to go in and find the session and everything would be good to go, but it's not working in MAP when it's a saved session. It only works when you do create the session right then, assign the accommodations right then, and give the test. So after you set up your test, do not save it. Just have the kids go in and take it like they always do. But unfortunately, that's going to require you to assign the accommodation right then. And I'm sorry we were trying to avoid that, but it is what it is. So this will, of course, only be on math because we cannot give the read aloud accommodation on the reading test. And pretty much 98% of the kids have already taken reading anyway. So you will go in, you will pull up your class, get your kids. I'm just experimenting with Mrs. Bogart's class. You will get your student list, and you will see this screen, and you can go in and check mark all the kids who need the read aloud accommodation. And I will give you a list that has them all who are supposed to get read aloud, so you won't have to try to remember all that. So I'm just picking and choosing here. This isn't accurate, but you will go in here and click all the kids who need the read aloud, click assign accommodations, and then if you scroll on down a little bit, you'll see right here that you can click text to speech, and it is embedded, which means it will read to them, and that is all you will need to do, and you will click assign. I'm not going to really do that because I don't want to mess up anything, but you will click assign, and then once you finish setting up your session, you assign them the correct test, MAP 2 through 5 math, and they take it, and then it should read aloud to them. So, and again, do not save the test session. Do test now. When we save, that's when the read aloud accommodation is not working, and MAP is working on a fix for that. But for right now, this is the best we can do. So it's not hard. Like I said this morning, I was just trying to avoid asking you all to do one more thing, but this isn't difficult, and I will give you the list to work off of. So again, check mark all the kids, click assign accommodations, click text to speech, and assign, and you're good to go. And let me or Mr. Featherston know if you have questions. Thanks.